Well, a wonderful good evening to everybody here. Welcome, sir. What's your name? Yitzchak Sobel. Well, welcome to you. I think I just got a check in the mail from you for an aliyah. Is that possible? Yes, I recognize the name. So you don't live here?
I live on Yaakov Shapiro.
But the check was from another place, right? Where did you used to live? Where did you used to live? Where did you used to live?
In Highland Park.
Oh, in Highland Park. Okay.
Not so far.
No, it's not.
Is that in Illinois, Avonbury?
No. That's anyway, a royal welcome to you. And to all of you. Zev, it's good to have you back. How you feeling? Okay. All right. It should get better and better. It should be a regular thing that we see you. Regular thing. And I'm delighted to tell you and invite everybody in the name of Errol Chavin and his Kala Shira. What am I saying? Errol. You see where I'm thinking? I'm going back a quarter of a century. 30. Michal Avram Chavin, his uncle, right? It's your uncle, right? His cousin was a Talmud of mine through the mail. Do you know how many tapes he must have of mine?
He's in the whole library. Hundreds
and hundreds and hundreds. For sure, 15 years with 15 times 52.
Right.
Yeah, for sure. I remember with my Rebbetzin Aleh Shalom writing it out. Yet when we were writing, before we had labels, it might be 20 years.
Right.
Anyway, Michal Avram and his Kala Shira invite the entire Olam to a vert. You don't have to travel far. It's the 16 Valley Stream. That's for Gedalia. It's a real schlep. You know, he's not used to. Yeah, right. He'll get schar alicha. He's not used to schlepping so far. Yeah, but anyway, Emirtz Hashem, this Thursday, from 5 to 7. From 5 to 7 will be a vote in Michal Avram's house. Did I say Michal Avram? No, I'm really doing good. Michal Aaron. Michal Aaron's house, and we should celebrate many, many simchas. Yeah, it's been a busy day, and I'm recording now because tonight we're going to have a chok after the daf. So a very interesting chok with a fabulous zayir. Why the Sfarim say vidui after Shemad Esrei? It's really an amazing chok. That'll be about 9:30, and so we are sponsored by the Fish family, Linish B'Spasi Bar Rabbi Shalom ben Avram Alevi Perel Bas Ruvain, also Linish B'Avram Yishai ben Shmai Yosef Fu Shalem Fel Yom Moshe Mechai Yisrael Chutz Avram ben Yom Benish ben Malki Yudas by Yoel Klugman and family, and for Meir ben Chai Yisrael. They should have a refuah Shalem B'Sech Shachal Yisrael. Mishna Dalid May Ayin Ho Yumaydidin. So they measure. It's a precise measurement. The corpse, the unsolved homicide, they measure from it to the nearest city. So this was very precise. Remember, just for the measurement, 3 judges traveled from the Beis Din HaGadol Sheb Yerushalayim. These were not young people, and you didn't get into a helicopter. So for this measurement, they traveled, and that's all they did. They didn't even stay for the procedure. They left. So from where did they measure? Rabbi Eliezer Mitiburai, from the belly. The Rav tells us that since the Iker Chias is from the stomach, that's where a person derives his Chias, from the digestion, so therefore they measure from the stomach. Rabbi Kiva Mechatmai, this is the halacha. Rabbi Kiva says from the nose, because that's where the breath of life comes, right? Kalasha Nishmas Ruach Chaim Ba'apav. Rabbi Elazar ben Yaakov, I'm in Mamokim Shinasa Cholol Mitzavarai. Rabbi Elazar ben Yaakov, what's interesting is Mishna say Kabanaki, but over here we don't paskin like Rabbi Elazar ben Yaakov. But Rabbi Elazar ben Yaakov says it says in the pasuk that if you find a chalal ba'adama, and chalal refers to those that were cut by the sword in the neck, because it's a pasuk in El Tzavore Chalal Rishaim. Therefore, from the neck they measured it. Memakim Shenasa Chalal Mitzavara. Now, as I said, the elders, the three elders, or according to Rabbi Yehuda, the five that came from the Sanhedrin Agadol, they only came for the measuring. Now, Niftaru Ziknei Yerushalayim v'holchu lahem. The elders of Yerushalayim took leave and went home. Then Ziknei Oisa, remember we only measured to a city that has a small circuit Supreme Court of 23 that could rule Dinei Nefashis. So Ziknei Oisa Mevian Eglas Baker, they bring a calf, a heifer, Ashalei Mashra Ba'al, that did not pull a yoke and did not do any work. However, this doesn't go on the Mizbeach, and therefore ve'eina mum paiselba. A mum, a blemish, does not disqualify. Umoridan osal nachal eson. Now, sometimes nachal means a river, sometimes it means a valley. Rashi says over here it means a valley, and eson means of hard ground, like strong, right? Esonim. The eson kimashmai. Eson is like its literal meaning, kosher, hard ground. But afal pisha einay eson kosher. It's not akif. Even if it's not hard, it's also kosher. The orpanaisa, they break its neck b'kaifetz using a cleaver me'achareh from behind. Umekaima, and the place where it dies and the blood spills. Umekaima aser milizraya umilavai. That land is forever forbidden to plant it or to do any work with the ground. However, you could do other work there. You know, if you want to put up a basketball court there, you could, right? Gedalia says a pickleball court. You could put a pickleball court there. You just can't do work with the ground, and that's what it says. Umuta lisroik sham pishtin. You could comb their flax, ulanaka sham avanim, and you could chisel their rock, right? You can't do work with the ground. Now, you should know, Rabbi, say that there's a Targum Yomis in Ben Uziel. The Targum Yomis in Ben Uziel says that the blood of the egel snakes out and makes a beeline to the home of the killer. That's what the Targum Yomis in Ben Uziel says. It's one of the big unnatural things. The Torah usually does things b'derech hateva. Tzaras is not b'derech hateva. This is not b'derech hateva. Blood of the egel would go out, snake to the... Now, the Lamaisa is, you can't kill him because of that. That's circumstantial evidence, even though it's supernatural. But that gives them a chance to inspect him and get the detectives on the case and to discover witnesses. But you wouldn't be able to kill him by that. The Torah, al pi shnayim made them yokum dava. We don't kill by circumstantial evidence, even if it's miraculous evidence. Torah loy b'shamayim. What else do I want to tell you? I want to tell you that we plan to have Shavuos morning. I know it's coming to Shavuos, believe it or not. We plan to have Shavuos morning, the first day, 2 minyanim. The 440 minyan, after a night's learning, which we'll have here in the shul, which we hope many people will participate. And we plan to have a second minyan, because some people can't stay up, which is completely understandable. We need everybody to support one of the 2 minyanim. I mean, we need our people to support our minyanim. So if you're not planning to come to the early minyan, please come to the second minyan, so that we'll have that comfortably as well. We're going to try to line up to have Bali Kriya and everything for both minyanim. We're even going to try to have a kayin for the second minyan, but that's going to be that we have a kayin so far for the first minyan.